Model, 2021 Fiat Ducato Boxer Relay 35 2.3 140 Multijet HiLo Low Loader Luton Box Van. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 107,186. MOT, the 22nd of April 2025. Engine, 2287 cc F1 AGL 4113 E6 DTEMP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: this will start but there is a hole in the block, the engine will need replacing star-struck. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 0 former keepers, air con, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.